Happy Sunday to everyone, and as promised, I'm going to make a video on how to make or prepare a salad. Well, salad is the simplest way, because all you have to do is to mix all the ingredients, and not so much with cooking. So, well, I have here first I fried bacon that I cooked, and the rest are just raw ingredients. So all you have to do is to mix everything. So today I'm going to show you all the ingredients. First, of course, my favorite, lemon. Then I have here bell pepper. You can also have three colors of this bell pepper: the red, the green, and the yellow one. So it will add color to your salad. I also have here an avocado, yeah, and canned pineapple. Well, you can also make use of or use a real pineapple if there's available. And I have here canned corn. Yeah, I know you can also buy not in can. So I have here cherry tomatoes. This is a good one. And the salad, cucumber. I have my favorite flavor of the feta cheese. It says here green and olive, green olives and garlic. This is very nice. It's ready mixed. And also I have onions, and of course salt to taste, pepper, black pepper, and this dressing that I can also add to the taste of the salad. I have here mixed vegetable, but I only take the carrots from that, and onions also, and the rest I don't have to use it. And of course my favorite, the baby leaf of spinach, so young leaves. Then I will mix together. So now I'm going to show you how to mix everything. First, of course cut each ingredients like the vegetable, and I have a tip. To wash the vegetable, all you have to do is to put it in a bowl with water, and just the normal water, not too cold, not too warm. And the water, you have to put some salt. That's how you will wash the vegetable before cutting. So you will wash it as whole leaves like this, and soak a bit for a few minutes, soak in water with salt. So now I'm going to slice this crispy bacon. I'm going to slice it into tiny bits, so it's just like a crunchy thing in your salad. So later on I'm going to show you with all the ingredients and how to mix everything in one bowl. So I will take a pause and prepare everything for you. Okay?